Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous beginning of the week. Today we are going to be making this super cute, super fun and super easy zigzag pockets. Okay, very easy. I've done already a tutorial like that on my channel, but I needed to make some more and I wanted to use up this sheet of paper that I had, so I thought let's remake it, just use different supplies, different decorations. They're very easy. You just need 3 measurements, and as I said at the end of the video, this is a fantastic mass make because you can sit down and cut them and score them all at once and then decorate them later on. Okay, keep watching guys and I'll show you how to make them. Okay guys, so the starting point is a piece of cardstock that is a 12 by 12 and you get 2 of those pockets. I've got my Stampin' Up scoring board. Love it. Love. It's very big. So what I need you guys to do, I need you to score at 3, 6 and 9. So we need to get 4 different rectangular sections. So 3, 6 and 9. Simple as. Then I get rid of this. Then I'm gonna get my trimmer out. Then now I need you guys to chop it. So do you know where the panels are this way? So you've got 3, 6 and 9 score line. I need you guys to cut it in half this way. Okay, so rotate it to the right and we cut it at 6. Okay, so you get 2 identical pieces. Okay, so now you got my pattern, it's this way. Okay, so you've got this sort of lovely floral pattern and this geometrical pattern on the back. What I need you guys to do, I need you to fold your rectangular pieces, but I want this. So in fact, let me show you. So on one, I'm gonna fold it that way so you can see the difference. So my concertina fold is this way. On the other one, I'm gonna fold it this way. Hold on, I've done it. It needs to be different. Are they the same? Yeah, they are the same. So I need to fold it this way. Okay. Right, so sorry, I was just talking to myself. I just want to show you what different effect you get with the same technique, with the same size, with the same cutting, but just folding the paper. Depends on what pattern you have. So get your trimmer out again. So from the first score line that we done, so 3, 6 and 9. So for the from the first score line of 3, I need you guys to cut a diagonal line to go all the way down there, probably like 2 inches from the bottom. Okay, maybe 2.5 inches from that first score line. Okay, so you chop this triangle off. Okay, so you get something that looks like this. Okay, now we do exactly the same on this side. So 2.5 this way and that. Get rid of this triangle. Okay, my trimmer can go back under the chair where it belongs to. Can you see? It's got two completely different look, but it's the same technique, it's the same fold. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna do one with you and I'm gonna do the second one off camera. So we just need to glue all the section together to create the pockets. So we need to do section by section. So let's start from the taller rectangular, so the one on there. So what I need you guys to do, I need you to put you can use glue, but I'm going to use double-sided tape for speedness. So I'm just going to put some double-sided here on the second score line. So when that's glued down, it creates me the pocket, and of course on the bottom here too. So anything will remain tucked in, it's not going to fall down. So that's that. That's that. Okay, so we've done one first pocket there. So fold this concertina away this way. So we're just gonna put double-sided tape there and on the bottom again. Here and here. And then we're just gonna peel this off and peel that off. So again, when you fold it, you now got a second pocket here. Last, we're just gonna put some double-sided tape there, and that is it. So peel this off, peel that off. Okay, and that's one, and that is the second one. Okay, so you get one pocket here, one pocket there, and then one pocket in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to decorate it, and then I'm coming back because I just don't want this video to be too long. Okay, guys, done. I have used some ephemera that I had in my stash, and then unfortunately is the last little piece. I think I'm gonna get some more. This was a flower ribbon. I got it from Amazon, and I just put it all around it, and I think it's super cute. What do you guys think? And then on this one, I just put some white lace. You saw me using this loads of times, and then another piece of ephemera from my stash. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Hope you like those super cute quick pockets, zigzag pockets. So easy to make. You just need a rectangular piece. These are easy must make, so you can score them and diagonal cut them, score them and cut them, score them and cut them, because it's just very easy. I think the most time consuming is the decoration, which again, you can go bold and big, or you can just leave them very minimalistic. It's completely up to you. You know, see what you think. I'm going to go, guys. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because you're telling YouTube that you like what I make, and it really support with my journey here on YouTube. I will see you on Wednesday for a VIP giveaway winners. We're gonna pick the 3 winners, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.